It's a little bitter at the end, right? It's a little bitter.
코카콜라의 본사가 있는 애틀랜타에 왔으니 월드 오브 코카콜라 박물관에는 무조건 발도장 찍어야죠. 바로 들어가 볼게요. 간다 간다 간다.
I am Suzanne Tanisha, and you guys will be able to enter the walk in about 7 minutes. Now, if you would like to use the restroom, the restrooms are in the far back left corner. Go ahead and use those.
바로 이렇게 춤을 보러 가야겠다.
Don't trip, don't hurt yourselves. Come join me on the floor. We have a lot to discuss today. That's right. I'm gonna take the stairs or the ramp, either or, your choice. As you come down safely on the ramp, you look left, you look right, you look up and down. We have over 200 artifacts inside. You guys okay? Does anyone know the name of the man who created the Coca-Cola formula? I'll give you a hint. First name starts with a J. Jared. That's a good guess. James. Now, if you said John, that's right, John S. Pemberton was his name. That's right, friends. Now, he created the Coca-Cola formula on May 8th, 1886, right here in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, friends, I have another question for you guys. Does anyone know how much a glass of Coca-Cola went for back in the day? 25 cents, 5 cents. Any more guesses? 1 cent. Now, if you said 5 cents, you are correct. 5 cents for a glass of Coca-Cola back in the day. That's right, now as you can see right here in that display, you can see it was 5 cents as well. Now friends, there's an artifact inside this room that happens to create that Coca-Cola. Inside of there, you would need 5 ounces of carbonated water and 1 gallon of Coca-Cola syrup. You mix that all around and that's going to give you a nice, lukewarm glass of Coca-Cola.
Welcome in. Head on down. Get started on your journey here with us today. Please leave those back 2 rows of the blue seat coverings open and available for our guests. Welcome to the Coca-Cola Theater. Glad you guys could make it. Today we're going to watch a 6-minute film entitled Moments of Happiness. Please keep in mind that no photos or videos allowed during the show. Thank you in advance.
To the world of Coca-Cola.
잘 만들었다.
It's the ultimate commercial.
코카콜라 세상에. 와!
Prince Cola, fake.
From which the latest removed to identify Africola. Fake.
Put on the shelf. To be safe, my father stood by me several times while I compounded this unique flavor.
코카콜라 언제 나와?
You check to see what
There's a lot of fake ones.
keep the secret. Charles Howard Campbell.
오, 어디선가 또 다른 강 먹는 냄새가 나는데? 이번엔 또 어떤 강의를 들으러 갈까요? 오, 비밀 금고? 레시피? 레시피인가? 간다 간다. 강금이죠? 코카콜라.
A secret formula for the most deliciously different taste the world has ever known. A secret formula for all that is, was, and ever will be the heart of Coca-Cola. The secret formula for Coca-Cola is here. So share a Coke. Be part of the magic. We'll keep the secret. Because keeping the secret ensures that the magic lives on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the vault of the secret formula. Now, this vault was built in 2011 when Coca-Cola was celebrating 125 years of existence. And ever since then, the secret formula has been kept in there. And now it's been presented for you all to see. Now, I cannot give you the secret formula, else it wouldn't be a secret formula, would it? But what I can let you do is take a picture of the vault of the secret formula. So feel free to take pictures of the vault itself or pictures with yourself in the vault.
이렇게 나온대.
박물관 잘 만들었네. 귀엽다.
한국 아니었나? 서울, right? 코리아. 등산가 워터.
산타콜라. 난 이 코카콜라가 마음에 드네.
코카콜라. Grape. Oh, it's all the same one. Grape. Cherry.
오. 스파이시 해봐, 스파이시 언니. 내가 맡아볼게. 오. 아씨. 치과 냄새 나는데? 아, 치과 냄새. 아, 짜증나.
Cinnamon.
우리 코는 마비됐다.
Grape. Everything smells like grape.
천국이다.
Which one do you want to taste?
일단 1번부터 다 가자, 여보. 다 마셔보자. Number 1.
I've had this. Oh, they have everything.
Oh.
India.
베네수엘라.
That's tea, honey.
아, 조금만. 오빠, 이거 한 번만 마셔봐. 맛있다. 진짜 맛있다. 칠레.
사과.
별로다.
Fanta. Cola. Oh, that's red. Why is it so red?
도메니카.
Oh, 양맛이다.
오, 로마니아.
Lime and watermelon. Oh, Romanian
Wow.
spice. Is that cucumber flavored?
큐컴버.
Oh, that's pretty good. 그러니까 그 애기들이 나를 치고
맞아.
좋아했지. Soda after soda after soda.
애기들 손 놓고 난리 났다, 여보.
And they play like hyper music.
여보, 기분 좋아진다 봐. 딸기. 포도 먹어보고 싶은데? 이거 맛있을 것 같아요, 언니.
Yeah?
땡큐. 오, 냄새 좋다.
That's good. That mango lime.
오빠 스타일이네. 넘버 2. 찍찍해, 바닥이.
So sticky. Beverly.
스파이시.
Oh, it's a little bitter at the end, right? It's a little bitter.
여기 뭔가 재밌는 맛이 없어. 타일랜드가 제일 맛있다. Cheers.
당일 맛이지.
와, 맛있다.
포도 맛이다. 포도 맛.
맛있다. 코리아가 제일 맛있네.
Madagascar. That's good too.
이것도 맛있다. 타일랜드 거 맛있네.
Germany. That's Libre.
아니, 배불러.
My favorite. My favorite. Thailand apple kiwi Fanta. Wish they made that here. Can we try this thing?
이거 이상해.
Oh, it's 0 calories, that's why. Ever tried pip? strawberry?
여보 오늘 하루 중에 제일 신난 것 같아. Cheers! 오리지널.
마시자. 코카콜라.
우리 남편 선글라스 잘 어울리는데?